The Central United Methodist Church held their annual holiday craft and vendor fair today at the Webb City Farmers Market Pavilion. 22 vendors set up at the Webb City Pavilion selling holiday-themed decor. Vendors paid a fee to participate, and those proceeds plus donations benefit the Christmas Basket program, which helps local families in need. The baskets include food, clothing, and toys enough to last more than 2 weeks. Organizers say it's important, especially important this year, because there are more families in need.
They're not making ends meet, and at Christmas time, they really need some extra help. So this really benefits a lot of people in the area and the children.
This is the third year the church has put on the holiday craft fair. The second annual Shakespeare steps at Northeastern Oklahoma University looked a little different this year due to COVID-19. Those in attendance wore masks and had to socially distance inside the Fine Arts Theater. The NEO Theater Experience had 15 actors performing various Shakespeare scenes from his most famous plays. The students had 15 group rehearsals over a 3-week span to bring to life 75 different characters. While performing, the actors had to wear masks as well to follow COVID-19 protocols.
Actually, that kind of archives the experience a little bit. You know, we look back on it and we're like, that was the year that we wore masks to keep people safe. I think it's, you know, it's difficult that way, but there's something unique and human about it.
And this was the NEO Theater Experience's first show of the season.